Question 1 is tricky. Okay, let me explain to you the concept. So John baked 3 cupcakes in an hour. So that's how fast John can bake. Peter can bake 5 cupcakes in an hour. So Peter is baking faster than John. So to start with, at the very beginning, John has 8 more cupcakes than Peter. Okay, so Peter started with fewer cupcakes than John. So John started with 8 more than Peter. If they start baking at the same time, so they're going to start at the same time. Question is, how many hours later will Peter have 8 more cupcakes than John? So when you read the question, you got to recognize this. At the very beginning, John has more than Peter. But in the end, Peter has more than John. How does that happen? That could only happen because Peter is baking more per hour than John. So over time, Peter will be able to catch up with John and overtake John by 8 more. Correct? So if you look at the question, John baked 3 every hour, Peter baked 5 every hour. It will mean that every hour, Peter can bake 2 more than John. So although John started more than Peter, but because Peter is baking 2 more cupcakes than John every hour, over time, Peter will be able to catch up and more. Okay, so this is the idea. So this is key. So beginning, John has 8 more than Peter. But over time, Peter will catch up because Peter is baking 5 and John is baking 3 every hour. So 2 more every hour. So every hour, John is going to catch up by 2, right? So the thing is that how much must Peter catch up with John? How much more cupcakes must Peter bake more than John in order to be 8 more than John? The answer is not 8. The answer is, first is 16. Let me explain to you why. Because first, Peter must bake 8 more than John in order to be equal. But the question wants Peter to be 8 more. So Peter must bake extra 8 more. So in total, Peter must bake 16 more than John. Only if Peter can bake 16 more than John, Peter will be able to have 8 more cupcakes than John. Any question? Any question regarding this? Ask me. Very important. No question? Okay. So in order for Peter to have 8 more cupcakes than John, it means that Peter, over a period of time, must bake 16 more cupcakes than John. Okay, 8 more to catch up, 8 more to be 8 more extra, to 8 extra. So every hour, Peter can only bake 2 more than John because Peter baked 5, John baked 3. So in order to bake 16 more than John, he needs 16 divided by 2, 8 hours. And that's the answer.